Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra won't have the S20 Ultra-like focusing issues. Back in February, Samsung introduced the Galaxy S20 series in the form of Galaxy S20, S20 Plus and Galaxy S20 Ultra. While the first two had everything we expected from a 2020 flagship, the Galaxy S20 Ultra was a step beyond. The device is bigger, has a better battery, and also ships with a jaw-dropping penta-camera setup led by a 108-megapixel camera. Despite its appeal, owners of the S20 Ultra had to deal with a troublesome experience with the smartphone's camera due to the autofocus issue. Samsung took some months to provide a real fix for this problem. When it finally arrived, the damage was already done. What's the use of devices with a super powerful camera that can't ensure basic functionality? Apparently, those buying the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra won't have to experience this trauma. This is the second time in a few days that we hear about Galaxy Note 20 Ultra's 108-megapixel camera. A few days ago, the equally reliable Roland Quant confirmed the presence of this camera sensor. Now, let's just hope that all the issues with this promising camera sensor are gone for good. Apart from the camera, ICE Universe also confirmed the fact that the Galaxy Note 20 series will gain access to the Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. The chipset will also drive the Galaxy Tab S7, Galaxy Fold 2, and the Z Flip 5G. Besides the Galaxy Fold 2, all these smartphones may go official on August 5 during Samsung's Unpacked event. With the Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC, we'll be seeing for the first time in years a Galaxy Note device that is superior to its Galaxy S counterpart. Another report states that Samsung is also preparing a variant of the Note 20 featuring in-house made Exynos 992 SoC. Qualcomm's overclocked version of the Snapdragon 865 is yet to go official. But that should happen in the next month. We are expecting a device which is more powerful and best-in-class specs inside. Take these leaks as a pinch of salt, as nothing is yet official. If you liked this video, a sub will be massively appreciated. Thanks for watching. Peace.